If you are a social media influencer, YouTuber, or content creator, you know how much effort goes into creating a video. First, you need to plan and record the video, then edit it, and only after that do you have a final product. For all these tasks, you typically need different tools. One for screen recording, another for audio editing, another for captions, and yet another for video editing. Now, all of these tools are important, but what if I told you that instead of using a dozen different tools, you could do everything with just one? One tool for screen recording, audio editing, video editing, and even adding captions. Imagine the convenience of having all these features in a single tool. So, watch until the end. This tool's name is Wondershare DemoCreator. Wondershare DemoCreator is a versatile screen recording and video editing software that's perfect for creating tutorials, presentations, and gameplay videos. It's user-friendly and packed with features that allow you to capture, edit, and share your videos effortlessly. First, open the website from the description. After opening the website, download and install it on your desktop. Once installed, you will see an interface with two options, one for editing and one for video recording. When you open the video recorder, you will see multiple recording options. You can choose what portion of your screen you want to record, offering various options. Number 1. Screen. Capture only your computer screen with system audio, voiceover narration, or both. DemoCreator lets you fully customize your recording area to capture your entire screen, a single window, or any specific selected area you want. Number 2. Screen and camera. Ideal for cameos in video demonstrations, presentations, and online courses, the screen and camera recorder lets you make an in-person appearance in your content. Number 3. Camera. Perfect for adding commentary or sharing insights and expertise in your videos. The camera recorder ensures you look presentable and professional in your webcam recordings. The built-in virtual background changer makes you camera-ready wherever you are. Number 4. Game recording. Recording professional gameplay has never been easier. DemoCreator offers a recorder designed specifically for gamers to capture smooth, seamless gameplay videos at 4K or 8K and 120 FPS, regardless of your monitor resolution. Number 5. Virtual avatar. Not everyone wants to make cameos in their content. With Wondershare DemoCreator, you have access to 30 AI avatars that generate smooth and natural facial expressions and motions. Number 6. Video presentation. Whether explaining a desktop program or presenting a report in an online meeting, DemoCreator simplifies the task and is compatible with popular platforms like Zoom, Skype, Google Meet, and Teams. For now, I'm going to choose Screen as an example. Choose Screen, and you will get the option to customize how much of your screen you want to record. You can select any area you want to record and choose the platform frame. After completing the settings, click on the Record button. During recording, you get additional features to enhance your recording. Pencil option. Highlight anything in your recording, making it easier for the audience to understand. Shapes. Add rectangles and circles to highlight anything. You can also add arrows to point something in your recording for better understanding. You can also remove elements in your recording by using an eraser. By this spotlight option, you can highlight any specific area in your recording. Once you complete your recording, click on the stop button from the bar, and it will automatically open your video in the editor. You can then edit your recording with the same tool. When you place your clip on the timeline, it automatically separates into 2 layers, one for audio and one for video. On the left, you will find templates and effects to use in your video, and on the right, you can adjust the settings of your effects. Let's see what effects and templates we have. First, we have a Templates option. Click on this. Choose a template of your choice, add it to your timeline, and make adjustments. To edit, click the Edit button. Once the template is open, add your recording, and it will automatically adjust to the template. You can also add your camera window separately. Next, we have an annotation. Here, you can add text, shapes, and many other elements as you desire. Next, we move on to video effects. Here, you can add various effects as you like. Audio effects. Here you can add background music, sound effects, and many more. Transitions. Add transitions to your video for a smooth effect. Now let's add subtitles. Select your audio file and click on the subtitle button. You will see 3 options. The first one is for auto subtitles, which will add automatic subtitles from the audio. The next option is to import subtitles. If you have subtitles, you can add them here. Lastly, the manual subtitle option allows you to add subtitles manually. For now, I choose manual. When you click on this, you will get a customization panel where you can write your text and adjust the text size and style. In the animate section, you will find more styles to choose from. After editing, click on Export to export your video. And that's it! You've created and edited a video using Wondershare DemoCreator. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.